Hello, my name is Jeff Thiessen. I'm the president of Danson's. I want to introduce to you our all-new Black Label series by Louisiana Grills. This unit brings together enormous cooking space, smoke IT technology, heavy-duty build, and indirect and direct flame technology. This unit features a 14-gauge steel construction, an 18-pound hopper capacity with an easy-to-see sight glass here, so you can tell without even opening the lid if your pellets are low or not. Along with an 18-pound hopper, the Black Label series features an easy storage area for your meat probes. Just pull them out, plug them right in. This control board features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So when you're close to the unit, you're connected by Bluetooth. When you move further away from the unit or decide to go to the golf course for the afternoon, you're connected by Wi-Fi, and you can see your brisket cooking to perfection. This unit features a temperature range of 180 degrees up to 600 degrees. So you can smoke jerky or sear a steak, all with the same unit. Features are easy to use external flame broiler control. All you do, slide it back, and you have direct flame. Slide it forward, and it's indirect flame. Even with the unit closed, with the indirect flame, it still gets to 600 degrees. Another neat feature about the Louisiana Grills units is they feature a smoking rack. So you can actually put smoke hooks on here, and you can smoke sausages right inside the unit. Just take out your top rack, put the hooks in, and away you go. The Louisiana Grill Black Label series features our heavy-duty construction with 14-gauge steel, our new heavy-duty leg kit, standard bottom shelf, and 4 heavy-duty industrial-grade locking casters. The unit comes standard with a fold-up front shelf, easy to use, heavy-duty construction. Easy to drop back down and just store away. The high temp paint finish we have on this unit just adds the longevity. Now you're going to have this unit, you're investing a lot of money in this unit, but it's going to be a great looking unit years from now. That's really important for people. I love the branding. I love that we're very proud of Louisiana Grill branding. I like how we bring that out in this unit as well, and then integrate a whole new classy look and design. The Black Label series features 3 different sizes: the 800, 1000, and 1200 square inch cooking surfaces. This unit brings together our smoke IT technology, heavy duty build, indirect and direct flame technology, 180 to 600 degree cooking temperatures, and starting at $799. This is a phenomenal value. Once again, the Black Label series features our 5-year industry leading warranty, from our family to yours.